Hey everyone, welcome to Winnie's Travels, the channel where you get to watch me struggle to figure out how to renovate my 1987 RV into my full-time tiny home. Today I'll be showing you the first part of a three-part series on me fixing my roof. There's actually a lot more hours of labor that went into that than I thought. And I messed up a couple things and had to come up with some creative solutions. So I'll be showing you that. Today I'll be showing you the first two steps. The first one, which is just me removing the AC units, and then the second, which is removing the old roof vents. So yeah, let's get started. So at the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys a breakdown of every single tool and material that I used during this video. And then in every video following this one, I'll be adding on to that list of costs with every tool, resource, and material that I use, so that by the end, I'll know exactly how much money went towards this project, and you'll get to see kind of how much money you could be spending on a similar project. And if I don't spend any money on something, like I'm using my dad's drill, I didn't have to spend any money on it, but I'll show you guys in the tool breakdown and materials breakdown example of something of the price of like a similar item that you could find online or in stores. So definitely stay tuned to see the first materials breakdown.
So the first thing I had to do was just remove the bolts. There were 4 in each one from the AC units, and I just used my wrench kit for that. The first AC unit turned out to be really easy to remove. It didn't have any additional bolts on the roof, but the other one did, so I had to remove the cover first, which had these rusty bolts on it, and then I also had to remove the bolts underneath.
Okay, so I managed to get the first screw off, but now as you can see, the bolt is now stuck. Oops, crap. The bolt is now stuck inside of the wrench bit or whatever you call it. Underneath this metal grating, there are some bolts that I'm gonna need to remove. Now I just have these 2 holes in my roof that I have to cover up. Yeah. All right, that is all for now. So definitely stay tuned for the second and third part of my Fixing the Roof series. In the second part, I'll go over steps 3 and 4, replacing the foam board insulation or removing the foam board insulation near the roof vents and AC units that I removed. And then how I created the wood frames to give me some stabilization and something to drill into when replacing them in step 5, and then step 6, which is removing all of the old caulking from the rest of the roof, not just around the roof vents. and then replacing that with new caulking so that it is a watertight roof, so that when I replace all the insulation and start working on the interior, I don't have to worry about leakage, which is definitely a top priority, so that my hard work doesn't go to waste. Definitely this part of the process took way longer than I thought it would, so I'll also probably talk a little bit about that in the second and third parts of the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See y'all later.